Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing a budgeting video, share with you guys where my money is going to be going this month and how I'm going to be budgeting this paycheck. So I'm just going to go ahead and put down my income on this pay. So this will be my pay number one for the month, and I will be receiving $2,035, and that's expected. That's how much it will be. So the bills that I will be paying for this month will be, first off, rent. Secondly, will be rent. YouTube. So I put down the list of things that I will be paying for this paycheck. This is where my money will be going for the most part. So rent is $700. The credit card, I'll be paying $700. And something that I want to do with my credit card is I want to start using only about 30%. I find myself using most of my credit, and I don't think that's a good idea. I think even though I still pay it back, I think to try to stick within a budget of like maybe $300 to $400, because I do only have $1,000 limit, would be great. So I think that's what my plan is going forward. And then I have Canva, which is about $17. Amazon, which is about $12. YouTube, I'm just going to say $20 for now. I'm not sure if that's how much it's going to be budgeted for. Shopify, $59. Apple will be about $40. And then my Capital One, I will be budgeting for $96, because that's how much the minimum payment is, and that's how much I usually pay. Okay, so I had to move over because I didn't have my calculator, and my phone is usually where I do my calculations. So my son is the one who's actually using my phone, so I decided to just go over to my computer, and that's why the setup is just completely changed on you guys. So let's just go ahead and calculate everything. So I have 700 plus 700 plus 17 plus 12 plus 20 plus 59 plus 40 plus 96. Enter. So we're looking at 1644. So the total amount comes to 1644. And then we'll minus that by, so we have 391 remaining. Oh, no. Okay, wait, I think I made a mistake. So let me start over. Actually, this was supposed to be 600. So I'm supposed to do 600 here, and that's why. Okay, which is not bad, and I am good with that. So 491 is exactly where we are supposed to be at. And then right here I have groceries. Transportation. Kids. Just spending. So groceries, so we'll bring the amount 491 down here. So my groceries, I'm gonna go for $100. So transportation is $20. My kids will get 30, and $20 for my personal spending, and that would be, so 491 minus 100, 100 plus 70 minus 491. That I have, so 170 is where I'm at. So I'm left with $321. And the $321, I'm gonna go distribute it through my sinking funds. So let's see. So I got something over there. So I have $321 remaining. So I have $321 remaining, and I have emergency fund. I have Ramadan. So I've moved into a new place, and I want to start getting obviously furniture, so a couch is something that I want to budget for. And yeah, so my emergency fund, I'm going to put down $20. Ramadan will get $25, and couch fund will get $50. Okay, so that is 20 plus 25 plus 50, so that's $95. $95 minus 321 would be $226. Put this in my $20 savings, leftover savings. So leftover meaning like stuff that so like these little numbers like that aren't rounded off. So like the $6 will go into the leftover, and $20 will go into the $20. So I am left with a total of so this will be $26, and the remaining amount will be $200. This was the remaining amount, and that would be 200, and this would be going towards my credit card budget. So this will go $200. Everything. So as you guys can see, I left $200 will be going to my debt, which is something that I've already planned for. And so what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to add up all of the totals. Let's say 15. This is where I made the mistake. So I forgot to change that part. So this is what my money is going to be looking like for this paycheck. So I have everything situated. So yeah, I will come back next with another cash stuffing video. Hopefully Friday I should have one open. But right now this is where we are standing, and hopefully this is good. Yeah, so for this check, and then I'll be back with my next check as well as my cash stuffing. Till then, bye.